Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on Paycor. First, ensure you have your login credentials ready, as they are crucial for accessing the system. You will typically use your employee identification number and a secure password. This secure process ensures that your time entries are accurately recorded and linked to your personal profile. Getting this step right ensures a smooth experience for your entire workday. To begin, open the Paycor application on your smartphone or navigate to the Paycor website using your computer. You will then be prompted to enter your unique username, usually your employee identification number, and your secure password. Make sure you are using the correct company portal, as some organizations have specific URLs. This initial step correctly authenticates your identity within the system. Once logged in successfully, your Paycor dashboard will appear, displaying various options. Look for the Time or Time Clock module, which is usually prominently displayed on the main screen or in a navigation menu. This dedicated area is where all your time-related functions reside, including the crucial clock-in button. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring you can quickly find what you need. Upon finding the Time Clock section, simply click the large, clear Clock-in button. You might be asked to confirm your location or select a specific project if your company utilizes those features. After clicking, a small pop-up or banner will typically confirm that your clock-in was successful, often displaying the exact time. This confirmation is vital, ensuring your work period has officially started.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.